In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fields to QuickBooks Invoice templates. By the end, you'll have a clean professional invoice style with the extra fields your business needs, things like a PO number, project name, or delivery date, so your customers get all the right details in one place. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and signing in to your company. Once you're in, look to the upper right for the small gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Click it to open your company and tools options. From there, choose Custom Form Styles. This is where all your invoice, estimate, and sales receipt templates live, and it's the best place to create a dedicated style without changing your existing forms. Next, select New Style. QuickBooks will ask what kind of form you want to build. Choose Invoice. That opens the Invoice Style Editor, which has a live preview on the right and editing options on the left. You'll typically see tabs like Design, Content, and Emails. For custom fields, the Content tab is your main workspace. In the Content tab, click the pencil icon on the header section of the invoice, the area that shows your company info, customer details, and invoice number. Look for options to add your own fields or to manage what appears in the header. Here, you can create short, clear labels for the fields you need, such as PO number or job reference, and decide whether each field prints on the form. Keep names concise so they fit neatly on the page. As you type, watch the preview update in real time to confirm the placement and spacing. If you want to fine-tune the layout, you can adjust labels and widths where available, choose where the field appears, and ensure it's easy for your team to find when creating invoices. A helpful tip: place critical fields in the header so they're always visible at a glance. Also, if you don't see a custom field option in this editor, check that your QuickBooks plan supports custom fields and that the field is set to print on forms. Give your style a clear name at the top so your team can pick it later, and consider using the Design tab to keep fonts, colors, and logos consistent with your branding. When everything looks right, click Done to save your new invoice style. From now on, when you create an invoice, you'll be able to choose this template and fill in those custom fields as needed. That's all it takes to add custom fields to your QuickBooks Invoice templates while keeping your forms clean, accurate, and on brand.